Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Google Chat. Now let's get started. First, if you wanna first you can download the Google Chat apps on your Google Play Store if your phone is Android, but if your phone is iOS, you can download it store apps at App Store. So because this is on Android, so you just click on the Play Store, and after this one at the search icon at the top, you can click on it and you can search a Google Chat. And after this, in here you just click on the install this one, and then please waiting. Okay, and after this, in here you can open your Google Chat and finish. So that's how to get a Google Chat apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.